and stress-free. We're Valley GMC.
All right, guys. So in the 2025 Hummer EVs, we have removable panels on the roof. Those are called infinity panels, and they're super easy to take off and on. They stow away here in the front trunk. As you can see, there's protective bags that the panels go into. Once there's two levers, there's one in back here and then one in front. And then you just pull, lift the edge, and then it comes right off. And they're not very heavy, very easy to handle. You take this whole thing, put in bag, and then these stack in this space, so you can enjoy having a convertible in this beautiful weather. And then to put back on, just like that, slides right in. That one as well, and we're back in business. Thank you, guys.
Friendly and stress-free. We're Valley GMC.